Hi, I'm Bob Swirsel. I'm in Redmond, Washington, and we're going to ride the Flying Wheels Summer Century. Let's do this. Getting from my apartment in Seattle to the ride start in Redmond meant I had about a 20-mile ride, so I was warmed up for the event. We started the event in Marymore Park with a light rain. The route soon featured views of Lake Sammamish. I rode with Nick, my oldest friend since moving to the Pacific Northwest, and my cycling training partner for 2024's STP. The rain gradually went away, and blue sky started to appear through the clouds. Before we knew it, we had reached the first rest stop in Maltby. "25 miles down, 75 to go." Even on a long ride, there's always time for distractions. We were treated to gorgeous scenery in the Snoqualmie Valley. This part of the route took us on rolling hills along the west side of the Snoqualmie River. It was during this part where I started to feel the strain in my leg muscles. The second rest stop was in Carnation. "50 miles down, 50 to go." On our way towards Falls City, the rain returned. It's the Pacific Northwest. We should expect this to happen. We reached the third rest stop in Falls City. We're about to do the Falls City loop, which means a lot of climbing. So here we go. Oops, that was a wrong turn. Next was the climb up to Snoqualmie Falls, and the rain was not holding back. Snoqualmie Falls is a delight to behold. It is the ancestral birthplace of the Snoqualmie tribe and holds the world's first fully underground hydroelectric power plant that was built in 1898. Heading towards downtown Snoqualmie, we were greeted by a train from the historic Spokane, Portland, and Seattle Railway. Mount Si looked incredibly majestic in the distance. The descent from Snoqualmie Falls was a nice reward for all the climbing. Plus, it was just fun to ride down. Completing the Falls City loop, the fourth and final rest stop was the same as the third in Falls City. Alright, that was our last rest stop, and we got about 22 miles left in this. Let's go. To get out of the Snoqualmie Valley, we had 1,000 more feet of climbing, so it wasn't going to be easy on tired legs, but we pushed through each and every climb. Enjoying a nice long downhill from Pine Lake. Once we reached the East Lake Sammamish Parkway, the climbing aspect of the route had essentially been completed, and the finish was finally within reach. We've got less than 5 miles to go, so let's make those wheels fly. Arriving back at Marymore Park, we crossed the finish line at the Jerry Baker Memorial Velodrome. After the event, I rode the entire 520 trail back to Seattle with Nick, finally using the light rail from UW to return home. By the end, I had biked a personal record of 132 miles or 213 kilometers in a single ride, and I was tired, but it was such an incredible experience. Whew, that was a tough ride, but we did it. All 100 miles of the Flying Wheels Summer Century 2024. If you want to see more of my content, please like the video and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you next time.